Let's make an online appointment with a nurse's clinic. Appointments that can be made online are for TB screening, which includes TB skin test, also known as PPD, quantiferon blood test, and chest x-ray. You can also get vaccinations and titers for MMR, varicella, meningococcal, hepatitis A, hepatitis B, and polio. You can also bring your forms that require verification of these immunizations for your away rotations, volunteering, etc. For travel vaccines, you must be seen by a travel provider first, who will order these for you. For influenza, Tdap, and HPV vaccines, they will be offered in mass clinics in the fall and winter quarters, but will still need an appointment and will have a separate tab for this. So let's log into your My Student Chart account. The view in this video is from a desktop. The one from your phone will look similar, and the icons will be identical to what we show here. Go to the 3 hash marks, the Menu tab. On your phone, this will be in the center of your screen just below the picture. A drop tab will appear, and click on Schedule an Appointment. Click on Nursing Immunization Visit. Pick a date and time that is most convenient for you. The next screen will have the insurance information that we have on file for you to verify. Double check the date and time of your appointment and give a reason at the bottom of your screen. Then click on the green bar to schedule it. You now have an appointment with our nurse's clinic. Please arrive at least 10 minutes prior to your appointment to the Student Health Clinic. Now, to view all your appointments, click on the Visits tab. This will be on the home screen of your My Student Chart. You will be able to see all of your student health appointments. This is also the place where you can cancel your appointments. Please cancel at least 4 hours in advance so you do not have a fee. Hope this has been helpful.